Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the extraordinary life and legacy of Lady Diana, the People Princess. From her childhood to her tragic death, we will delve into her highs and lows of her remarkable journey. In this documentary style video, we will cover Lady Diana's early life and a family background, her fairy tale wedding to Prince Charles, her struggles with royal life and media security, her philanthropic work and charitable cases, her iconic fashion sense and culture impact, her beloved son Prince William and Prince Harry, her tragic death and lasting legacy. Featuring rare footages, interviews and insight, this video is a must-watch for any fascinated by the royal family and Lady Diana's enduring impact on the world. So subscribe to our channel for more royal documentaries and biographies. Like and share this video with fellow Lady Diana's fans. Comment below with your thoughts on Lady Diana's life and legacy. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Lady Diana spent her final days on a vacation in Paris with her partner Dodi Fair. On August 31, 1997, Lady Diana and Dodi Fair were involved in a fatal car accident in the Alma Tunnel. The paparazzi's pursuit contributed to the accident with photographers chasing the car through the streets. Lady Diana suffered fatal injuries including a severed chest trauma and internal bleeding. Emergency services responded quick, but Lady Diana's injuries were too severe. She was hospitalized at Pity's Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The news of Lady Diana's death sent shocks away around the world. People mourned Lady Diana's passing, leaving flowers and tributes outside Kensington Palace. Her funeral procession was watched by millions, with many paying their respects. Elton John performed a rewrite version of Candle in the Wind at the funeral. Lady Diana's legacy lives on through her son Prince William and Prince Harry. Her humanitarian work and charitable cases continue to inspire others. The royal family faced criticisms for their intentional response to Lady Diana's death. Queen Elizabeth delivered a statement paying tribute to Lady Diana. Prince Charles struggled with grief despite their tumultuous marriage. Prince William and Harry lost their beloved mother and devastating blow. A memorial fountain was built in Hyde Park decided to Lady Diana's memory. An investigation and inquest were conducted, concluding the accident was caused by a combination of factors. Lady Diana's impact on the world continues to be felt, inspiring kindness and compassion. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you want to see more videos about Lady Diana, please subscribe my channel. And please share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, her family dynamic were exposed with parents John Spencer and Frances Shane. Lady Diana was close to her siblings Sarah Jane and Charles. She attended West Heath Girls' School and later, Lady Diana developed a passion for music, dance and charity work. She met Prince Charles at East in 1997. Their romance relationship bloomed despite their 13 years age gap.